always fascinated to see the way that people live. And going inside their beautiful, distinctive, and different homes is so much fun, don't you think? Well, today we are looking at a spectacular home that's just in the center of Northwest Arkansas off of Valley View Drive in Springdale. And it's stunning, as you're gonna see.
Come on in, Carolyn.
Hey, John.
Hi.
I've been looking forward to this. Thank you so much.
Great to meet you.
What an awesome house.
Isn't this beautiful? The owners just finished a 2-year renovation on it.
This is so different, isn't it?
I think it is for Northwest Arkansas. I think a lot of people haven't gone this way, but you're seeing it in all the magazines and the books right now. It's very right on trend. And homes are becoming more about fashion than anything else. He had the crystal chandelier, and the wall, I think, was just a neat touch. I haven't seen it done anywhere else here in Northwest Arkansas.
Nor I.
It's a casual house. It's over 7,000 square foot, and most people, when they think about $1 million homes, they think, oh, very formal, very grandioso. This is actually a casual house where you can live in it.
I can't think of anything else to describe it but cozy. It's upscale and gorgeous, obviously, but it feels warm too.
So if you have a large family, you have good cover space, you got this giant island to work around and stuff, but you got the things like the 8-burner industrial stove over there, the commercial size refrigerators. So it really makes it a great place to gather in, but also just to cook for your family.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, so you got a 120-inch screen in here, all decked out with the latest equipment. It's your hangout place. You come watch the ball game, come watch the Razorbacks win. So the master bedroom's over 1,000 square foot.
You're kidding.
And it has its own laundry room, office space. It's an impressive area by itself. Now the master bath's back this way. In here there's a steam shower, a giant jacuzzi, simple remote control touch, and off you go. And give it about 5 minutes, it'll start filling up with steam. Great way to relax after the end of the day.
And this is a personal closet. It's beautiful.
I love it. It's like a hidden surprise. So you just have so much space dedicated to you, especially if you got a big family, you want somewhere to get away from, somewhere, that's just yours. And this house gives you that. Well, let's head out to the pool. It's one of the best parts about this house.
I can see why you say that. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I love coming out here. I love any chance I get to show the house. I'd like to just hang out here a little more often.
You need to have some parties here.
Shh, you can't tell anyone about that. The house sits on 2.5 acres, so there's another whole acre behind the tree line.
Kidding me.
Oh, it's perfect for a soccer field.
Everything about it is spectacular, and I can see where this is just a livable home, entertainment possibilities just overrunning with it. And I just think it's very special, and we're so glad to have been here today. Thank you for this awesome tour.
I appreciate you coming out and stuff, and I'm glad you took a look at it. I think Springdale and this whole area is just a booming part of Northwest Arkansas,
Right.
and I'm glad you decided to come out and see the home.
Love it. Thank you so much, John.
Thank you.